What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Evelyn asked if it was possible to mount Hero Session to the DJI Osmo Mobile Q. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. If not, I apologize. So I went out to the park and tested out to see if it was possible to mount the Hero Session with the DJI Osmo Mobile. But you know me, and if I'm gonna test this with one of my babies, I'm gonna do it with all my babies because I love all my babies equally. So this is my attempt in using the Hero Session with the DJI Osmo Mobile, Smove Mobile, and the Smooth Q. Let's hit it. Right guys, so in my previous video, I used the GoPro with an adapter, but this is gonna be an attempt to using the Session without any adapters. The only thing I did use was a Polar Pro strap mount, and I only used the bottom piece, right? The piece that connects to the GoPro with the screw. I did try it as well with the tripod mount and it works as well. So I just simply inserted the GoPro into the frame. You definitely wanna make sure it's tilted all the way to the back so it creates kind of like a flat back. Parallel with the GoPro. Once you're ready to put it on your DJI Osmo Mobile, Smove Mobile, or Smooth Q, make sure the back adjustable arm it's within range of balance. That way your motors are not being overworked. Side note, try this at your own risk. It's just experimental, so once again, try this at your own risk. That kind of worked for me. The one challenge that we have is that, of course, the camera is always looking at you, and a way to get around this will be just to simply twist your wrist and hold it in reverse. And it kind of looks like a Karma grip, actually. You can use your finger, your index finger, to tweak the mode button, and to start recording, you just simply interact with the GoPro itself. It takes a little bit getting used to at the beginning, but once you get, the movement, you click once, right? It's kind of like having a little button trigger. You can switch between modes if you want it to lock in place or just to follow. The Smooth Q works the same exact way. The additional feature that you have, which is actually very, very important, very awesome to use, is the fact that you have the ability to spin your gimbal in 180 degrees just by tapping the mode button 3 times. If you're gonna be doing a lot of GoPro and not so much phone recording, then definitely the Smooth Q will be my weapon of choice. Now the Smove Mobile is very, very similar in operation as the DJI Osmo Mobile. You do have, however, that trigger that locks it in place, and you can switch between modes a little bit quicker if you just wanna keep it locked in place, but you don't wanna lose the ability to switch modes. The way the gimbal is made, it's actually a lot easier to hold and twist around, so I kind of like that as well. And let's not forget the Smove Mobile's ability to extend. That gives you incredible functionality when you're trying to do jib shots or lower angles or even higher angles. I think it's a fantastic tool, whether you're filming on smartphones or GoPro. Once your GoPro's in place, just hit the record button in your favorite setting and let's hit it. So what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below if you found this useful. And if you have your own ways of setting up a GoPro with your DJI Osmo Mobile, Smove Q, or Smove Mobile, let me know. I would love to learn. Thank you so much for taking the time, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.